Good morning, everyone. Brenden, folks, the gentleman here with you. I am your sales guy. Friday morning, the long weekend. Good morning. It's going to be bright. It's going to be hot. It's going to be great. This morning, for all of you out there working outside, working those 12-hour days in the trades, for all you owners, managers, when is the last time you did some sort of team building exercise? And not in the hokey, like maybe we'll talk about personality profiles and sit and have a speaker. I mean, when is the last time you guys got together and you spent some time in an evening or an afternoon going to a game together, just going out together, getting to know each other better personally? And maybe you do that already, but when is the last time you specifically took time out of the workday to get to know the crew? And crew, if you're not in charge of when you do stuff like that, I give you permission to ask about it, because it's super important to have a cohesive team, that you know each other, you know what everybody's mission is. You got to get to know people to know what their mission in life is. If they want to make gobs of money, if they want to have a 9 to 5 eventually, whatever it looks like, you got to have those team building events. And that can be as simple as going to a Bomber game in the evening, going out for dinner in the evening, paid for by their company. Super low key, super low stress, just a good environment. It'll help grow your business. I know it'll help increase your sales because, well, when everybody's working better together, you can work quicker, you can work better, you can work harder, and it just works. Let me know what you think. That's it for me. May your coffee always be hot and your day a successful one. Oh, I forgot to say, if I can help you, let me know.